Welcome students. In this class I will solve two previous year questions for diploma second sem students. Before solving the problems, let's remember some formula which will be used to solve the problems. Already I have written some formulas here. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x 1. Limit x tends to 0, x by sin x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is equal to 1. And fourth formula is limit x tends to 0, x by tan x is equal to 1. And also I have given one rule to remember, that limit x tends to a, fx into gx. If two functions are multiplied with each other, then the rule is saying that you just split the two limits like this: limit x tends to a, f of x, into limit x tends to a, g of x. Okay. So one problem I have written here: limit x tends to pi by 2 cos square x by 1 minus sin x. Before solving the problems, always try to find that the question is given in the form of 0 by 0 or not. You just find out that. See that one thing here: cos square pi by 2, that means 0. Sin pi by 2 is 0, that is 1 minus 1 0. So the question is given in the form of 0 by 0. So always you find the question will be given in the form, limiting questions always given in the form of 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite. But in this class I will discuss the problems on 0 by 0. This is called indeterminate form. Okay. To find the solution, what I did here: limit x tends to pi by 2, cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x by 1 minus sin x. Now 1 minus sin square x can be written as 1 minus sin x whole into 1 plus sin x. What the formula we put here? A square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. That formula I put here. Now cancelling 1 minus sin x from numerator and denominator, will get the value, that is 1 plus sin x. Limit x tends to pi by 2, 1 plus sin x. Now putting the value of x tends to pi by 2, sin pi, the value of sin pi by 2 is 1, 1 plus 1, answer will be 2. Next question. Problem number 2, 2019 winter. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos q x by x into sin 2x. Now see that here 1 minus cos q x means aq minus bq. We know that the aq minus bq formula is what? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So I put the value here. aq minus bq can be, by 1 minus cos qx can be written as 1 minus cos x whole into 1 plus cos x into cos square x. X, sin 2x is the formula of sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. Okay. Now in the third step I have written here 3 by 2 into limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x sin x. And in the previous step, what I did here, I put cos 0, that is equal to 1, cos square 0, that is equal to 1. So that means 1 plus 1 plus 1. In numerator I get a value 1 plus 1 plus 1, and denominator I get the value 2, and cos 0 is also 1. So taking 3 by 2 outside the limit, what the remaining value we were getting here, that is limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x whole divided by x into sin x. Here actually I want to clarify you one thing, that what exactly I did here. See that one thing. Just before I told you the rule of the, what is the rule given in the limit. That means if two functions are multiplied, we can write down the functions in this way: limit x tends to a, fx into limit x tends to 0, gx. See that one thing. In this question, what is given? That limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x whole into 1 plus cos x plus cos square x by x into 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, so what exactly I did here? I take limit 1 minus cos x by x sin x as fx and limit x tends to 0 1 plus cos x plus cos square x by 2 cos x as gx. See that here, already I have written here. Limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos x 1 plus cos x plus cos square x by x into 2 sin x into cos x. Exactly what I did here. Limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos x by 2x by 2x sin x as fx. This was taken as fx, and limit x tends to 0 1 plus cos x plus cos square x by cos x I have taken here as gx. Okay, since the formula rule is given, so we can do these things. Okay, so that's why by putting cos 0 1 cos 0 1 cos 0 1 I get 3 by 2 3 by 2, taking outside the remaining result I am getting here. Limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos x by x into sin x. Now 3 by 2 limit x tends to 0, we know that the value of 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2, that is 1 minus cos x. We know that this value will be 2 sin square x by 2, and the value of sin x is also, we know that 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So in place of 1 minus cos x, I put 2 sin square x by 2 upon x 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Now 2 to cancel each other, sin x by 2 sin x by 2 cancel each other. Then in numerator I got one value, that is sin x by 2, denominator it is cos x by 2. So sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 is tan x by 2 upon x. Again 3 by 2 limit x tends to 0 tan x by 2. I just divided 2 and multiply 2 here to make this formula. Already I have the formula here. Limit x tends to 0 tan x by x is equal to 1. Now this value, limit x tends to 0 tan x by 2 by tan x by 2 1. The final answer will be 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 4.